everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Becca and I make videos all about how you can live a more ethical, sustainable, and intentional life. So yesterday was actually my birthday. I turned 20, which is crazy to me. I am like an adult now. I'm not a teenager anymore, so it's a little scary, but I had a really wonderful birthday and my friends and family got me so many wonderful things, and so I thought I would share them with you guys in what I got for my birthday haul. Obviously, I'm not trying to brag at all. I am very, very grateful for these things, but I wanted to make this video because, as you guys know, I'm both vegan and pretty much zero waste. I'm very eco-conscious, and so I thought that this could be helpful because maybe it can give you guys some ideas onto what to ask for your birthday if you're also, very sustainably focused, or even it could give you ideas on what to give other people for birthdays or other gift-giving occasions, because I know that can be just one of the trickier sides to navigate if you're living any kind of alternative lifestyle. How does that interact with other people? So I really hope this video is helpful to you guys, and let's just get into it. Alright, so I'm going to start with what my parents got me. The first thing they got is probably the most boring thing I will show you in this haul, but I am super, super excited for it. They got me an external hard drive. This is something I've been needing for a long time because my laptop has very limited storage space on it, so every time I upload a YouTube video, I actually have to delete that video off of my computer, and I just don't like that because that means the only place I can find the videos and content I've worked so hard on is on YouTube, and they can delete it at any time. YouTube could disappear tomorrow, so I want to have all that content I worked on, as well as like the graphics and stuff I use, for easy access. So I'm just so excited for this in terms of my YouTube channel and my brand and everything. You guys know I try to buy everything secondhand when I can, but I did look into getting a refurbished hard drive and I just could not find any. So they did buy me one new, but I'm really, really grateful that they were willing to spend some extra money and get me a really, really good one. My uncle is very technologically savvy and he helped them pick this out. So I'm hoping this is going to be a really great investment and it's going to last me for years and years and years to come. And then the next thing they got me was kind of a gift for both me and my sister, but since my birthday is second, they gave it to us now. It is just the second Fantastic Beasts movie. My sister and I own every single movie. We're very big Harry Potter fans. We're just, not really fans of the author anymore, but now we have this to add to our collection so we can have movie night soon and get ready for, I think the third one is coming out in November, so that's exciting. And then lastly, I did buy some sustainable underwear recently, and my mom was kind enough to pay for that for me, but I haven't received that yet. It's still in the mail, so I'm probably going to talk about that a lot more in some kind of upcoming video or Instagram post or something, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Now moving on to my boyfriend. My boyfriend always spoils me. I always tell him not to, but he just likes to get me things. So everything he got me is secondhand, which is really, really wonderful. Has a lot of the same values that I do, and I just love that. So the first couple things I actually picked out. The first one is a Lululemon headband. He got this at Plato's Closet where he works, and I've just been wanting like a simple athletic headband that I can wear when I dance, so I like that this is just plain white, very simple, and of course Plato's Closet is a resale store, so this was secondhand. And then I also picked this out. This is just a little bralette, also from Plato's, but it's from Urban Outfitters originally. I basically live in bralettes. I never wear real bras, so I just like that this one is pink because that's my favorite color, and I like the velvet texture and everything. I just think it's super cute and it'll definitely be a staple for me. And then finally from Plato's Closet, I didn't pick this out, but he got me this t-shirt. As you guys know, I absolutely love flowers, and he knows that too, so he knew I was gonna love this. I have been wanting one of these like shirts in specific where it has like all the different varieties of flowers and the names for the longest time, and I've just never found one I really liked, so I love this one so much, and I'm so glad he got it for me, and it's super, super comfy. You guys are gonna see a lot of t-shirts in this haul today, but you can never have too many good t-shirts, and especially with summer coming up and the weather getting warmer, I know I'm gonna be living in all of these for the next few months. And then I also picked this out, but he ordered this off of Poshmark, so it is new with tags from Aerie, but he did technically buy it secondhand. And it's just this really cute bathing suit top. I just love all the different colors. There's pink, of course, but there's also some different colors, so I'm getting better. I'm branching out, and I just think this is super, super cute, and Poshmark is a really great place to look for swimsuits and that kind of thing that you can't always find at a traditional thrift store. And then he got me two more shirts, which he thrifted on his own. I had no input in these. He got these from Goodwill. The first one I am super, super excited for. It is just a t-shirt with Ariana Grande on the cover, her Sweetener album. I'm a big Ariana Grande fan, so I'm so excited for this. And then the back just has all of her songs from that album listed out, so it's very simple and I love it. This is actually a medium, so it's a bit bigger on me than I would like. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it into a crop top. I do that with a bunch of my oversized t-shirts, and then I can use the extra scrap material for things like cleaning rags or reusable tissues, hankies, that kind of thing. So that's a quick little tip for you guys if you also love to crop your t-shirts. There's so many different things you could do with the extra fabric. And then the other t-shirt he got from Goodwill is from Brandy Melville originally, and of course, it's my favorite color. It's just this pink crop top, and it has this really cute, like, embroidered butterfly on the front. I don't have anything like this. I know, like, the little embroidered thing is, like, pretty popular nowadays, but I think it is really, really cute, and yeah, definitely my style. And then, like I said, he really spoiled me. He ordered this next thing off of eBay, so I don't think the person who was selling it had worn them yet, but again, they are still technically secondhand. So he got me a pair of Air Force Ones. I have been needing a new pair of white sneakers. If you know me in person, you have seen my Converse, and they are kind of atrocious, so it is finally time for them to retire. I had those for about 4 years, so I was desperately in need of some new white sneakers because I wear white sneakers like 90% of the time. So he got these for me, obviously a very popular style of shoe, but he got them secondhand, which I really appreciate, so I know I'm going to be getting a lot of wear out of these, and he actually has like a whole kit for like taking care of shoes and like restoring them and stuff, so hopefully he can help me out so I can make these, oh my god, I'm gonna drop them, last a really long time, because I think it's so important to take care of your clothing and make it last as long as possible. So I'm very excited for these. I think it'll look great with like all the t-shirts I got and stuff. I mean, they're white shoes, so duh. But I'm just excited to wear these. And yes, obviously they are leather and I am vegan, but I don't have a problem with wearing leather secondhand. It's something I've talked about before. It's just kind of a personal decision, I think, for everyone. And now moving on to what my sister got me. She also got me a couple of t-shirts. This first one was one her sorority was selling, and I've always loved it and wanted one. And so when one of her sisters was selling hers, she bought it for me. I just think it is so cute. It is pink and it says "Girls Support Girls" in red. I love like the red on pink anyway, just in terms of like colors and graphic design and stuff, but I also really love the message, of course, and I love that she was able to get it secondhand. It's also super soft, and I just think it's cute. I really like kind of quirky slogan shirts like this, so I'm excited to wear this. And then the next shirt she got me, she did buy me new, but of course I don't expect everyone else in my life to live the same life I do. I'm still very thankful that they would think to get me anything at all, and this is still super cute, and of course, like I've said, I will take great care of this and make sure it lasts as long as possible, which is something everyone can do to make their clothing and their wardrobe a little bit more sustainable. So this one is just a little purple t-shirt, and it also has some flowers because we all know I love flowers, and then it says "It's easy being green." So again, I just think that's a cute little kind of slogan kind of shirt. I love like graphic shirts like these, so definitely gonna get some wear out of this one as well. And then she got me a couple of homeware items, which she also got from Goodwill, so I'm very excited for these. The first one is this canister, and it just has these pink polka dots all over it, so I think it's super cute, and I think it's gonna match really well with these other pink canisters I have that I've thrifted. I'll link that haul up above in a card if you guys want to check that out, the ones I'm talking about. So I'm super excited for this. I think it'll be used for so many different things, and it does have like a little breast cancer ribbon on the top of the lid, but there's nothing wrong with supporting breast cancer awareness, and if it's sitting up on a shelf, you're not really going to see that anyway, so I just think it's really cute for the colors and the polka dots and everything. And then the other thing she got me is just this little ceramic bowl, and it has these really cute gold stars on it. I think it has that kind of vintagey feel, which I really like, and this could be used for so many different things as well. It could be, you know, a snack bowl, put a plant in it, it could be like a large catch-all dish, so I'm really excited to style this. And then finally, I have a couple of things from my boyfriend's mom. She's always super sweet and gets me something, and again, these things I don't think she bought secondhand, but they're things as a 20-year-old I'm definitely gonna have for the rest of my life and take great care of, like I've said so many times. So the first thing is just this little mug, and of course she knows me very well. It has flowers and butterflies and little animals all over it, so I think it is super cute. I really like the scalloped detail at the top. I don't have any mugs with that, so I love having this little bit one that's a little bit different and just really pretty, and again I feel like it has that kind of vintagey feel that I like. And then she also got me a matching plate. It's just very pretty, and I like that it matches. I feel like so grown up like having like matching stuff. I usually just kind of thrift random stuff and make it all work together, but I think it's very nice to have this little this little adult set since I'm an adult now. So that is every like gift I got. A couple of my family members also did give me money, which is very nice, but I don't really think I need to share all of that specifics. You guys know I'll use that money to buy, you know, more expensive sustainable items like a guppy bag, something I've wanted for a very long time, so I'll probably use some of my birthday money on buying one of those. And I also wanted to share with you guys, my family is super wonderful, and they've kind of caught on with some of my eco-friendly practices. One of them being reusing bags, so most of the bags and stuff, and even the wrapping paper, they had reused from other items, which I'm so happy about. And then I actually take the time, I took all of the tissue paper, there's more than this, but I folded it down and I keep all of gift and wrapping materials in my closet so that I can reuse them for other people. My boyfriend's birthday is next week, so I'll definitely be reusing a lot of this, and that is just, again, a super easy way you can make birthdays and gift giving just a little bit more sustainable. Alright everyone, so that's gonna be all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. You can also turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I know I've said this before, but I think next week's video is going to be all about composting, assuming the weather permits. We have like a crazy week of storms here in North Carolina, but I'm really hoping that is going to be next week's video, so you don't want to miss that. You can also go follow me on Instagram. It's just at becca.gargiulo. I post lots of different content over there. And up here on the screen in a few seconds, you'll see 2 videos that I think you guys would enjoy watching, so please feel free to watch either one or both of those. And with all that said, I hope you guys are still continuing to stay safe. I hope you guys are continuing to do all of the work that the world requires of us right now, but I also hope you guys are staying happy, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Bye everyone.